Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the parent account. This gives the controls you need. Once signed in, make sure two-factor authentication is available so changes stay secure. Next, open settings via the gear icon on desktop or the three dots on mobile. That is where parental features live. Enter your password again if prompted. Roblox often re-verifies sensitive access. This immediate access lets you move straight into safety settings without extra account setup delays or interruptions. Once in settings, go to privacy, then account restrictions. You'll see chat, friends, and other controls. Change them to limit contact or disable features. If the account is for a child under 13, enable account restrictions to apply safe defaults automatically. For more granular control, adjust who can message, who can join experiences, and who can follow. These prevent unwanted interactions. Make sure to save each change. Some options require you to confirm with your password or a verification prompt. Finish by saving all changes and then testing them directly on the child account or a separate device so you see real effects. Next, strengthen control under security. Set a parental PIN, enable two-factor authentication, and confirm app permissions match your preferences. If changes fail to appear, log out, clear browser or app cache, and update Roblox, then retry. If that still fails, try again after a short wait or contact support. Usually a cache issue or delayed server sync is the culprit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.